Section 20. The next letter we are going to learn to write is a consonant. The sound is W. W for worm. I want you to find the letter W on page 20 in your workbook. Page 20 looks like this. We are going to work with the sound W. Say the sound and words after me. W. W. W for window. W for wash. Let's read it again. W for window. W for wash. We are now going to practice writing the sound W. Put your finger on the first W. The W is very easy. It's like taking the V and writing it twice. I'm going to show you. Slanting down, up, as if we've written a V, and we do it again. Slanting down and up. Trace it with your finger. I'm going to show you again. We slant down. Remember, the lines are slanting. And slant the other way. And back down again. And up. Please trace it with your crayon. Now that you have traced the first letter W, please put your finger on the second W. I'm going to show you again how to write the W. We start on the second line, down, slanting up, slanting down, and the last line, up. Please trace it with your finger. Now take a crayon and trace over the W. Now that we have traced the second letter W, let's go to the last W. Put your finger on the last W. I'm going to show you again with my pencil. Down, up, down, and back up again. Remember, the lines are slanting. Please trace it with your finger. And now use your crayon to trace the last W. Let's read it again. W for window. W for wash. Now that you have practiced writing the sound W, see if you can write the letter on your own. If you have finished writing the letter W, you can color in the worm. W for worm. Worms like to live under the ground. Well done. Give yourself a hug and say, I am a star. Now go to Classroom 1, Section 21.